Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the Greektown part of the sizzling hot West Loop, standing on a corner balcony on the 26th floor of Arkadia, a full amenity, pet-friendly tower. And I'm panning around to give you a look at this just absolutely dazzling panoramic view. You can see how close you are to the loop here, and right behind you is steps to everything location in the West Loop. Let's head inside for a look at the apartment. I have an attractive high-ceiling living dining area here with a sleek kitchen with duotone cabinetry, gas range, built-in microwave, tile backsplash, double-door refrigerator with ice and water in the freezer door. And you're looking toward the great views that you have both to the south and to the east here. The southern sun's going to flood this unit with the light. The bedrooms are carpeted. The master here has a view out to the east. Classic Chicago view. It's a wide closet, and then an ensuite bath with marble tile on the floor, walk-in shower, and a nice wide vanity. Heading back outside, this coat closet off to the left as I head toward second bedroom. Again, carpeted. View out to the south. It's a great location for roommates who may work in different directions because of the number of public transit and expressway access options there are right outside the building. Split bedroom layout here is also ideal for roommates or for couples who keep different hours. As you would have entered the unit, full-size stacked washer dryer off to the left, away from the living and sleeping areas, and then an oversized bath with a tub, again the marble tile, and attractive finishes. Plank flooring extends throughout the living areas. You have a building with a terrific suite of amenities, just dazzling views that are always going to be uninterrupted because of its location. Definitely put Arkadia on your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment in downtown Chicago, and especially if you're looking in the hot West Loop. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info